Well, it's Bulletproof here, and we're going to start from the beginning. We're going to try to make sure that we get this aircraft up nice and safely on the takeoff. So we're going to use whatever button you have mapped to start your engine. We're going to get the engine turned on. I always like to use manual engine controls and make sure that those are turned on. Now, it's a little easier to do this in realistic mode and arcade mode because you can use the mouse aiming, but in simulation mode, you got to do this all by hand, all by joystick. So we're going to make sure that we get everything set up before we even start rolling. Put the flaps down to takeoff, get your propeller pitch where you want it, make sure that mixture is in a nice spot. That mixture is going to be the fuel-air mixture. At 100%, you got maximum amount of actual engine fuel going into it, as opposed to less air. So check our radiator setting. At 0%, that closes off the radiator to the engine. It's going to give you more engine power. It's just not going to have as much cooling. P-51, though, an aircraft like this, you're not really going to need much radiator the whole time. You can basically run at wet power for a long time without overheating the engine. So now that we're set up, one thing you want to take in mind before you start moving is which way the engine actually turns the propeller, because what that's going to actually do is cause the nose of the aircraft to go that way. I know that the P-51, the engine's going to cause the nose of the aircraft to turn left, so I'm going to add in just a little bit of right rudder before we start going. And I'm going to slowly add power, add just a little bit of backstuck pressure. And since I know it's going to take us to the left of the engine, I'm also going to add in just a little bit of right aileron. About 100 miles an hour, you can start lifting off. As you can see from that little bit of right stick, that little bit of right rudder, staying nice and smooth. We're not kind of rolling over, freaking us out. Go ahead and pull up that gear. Flaps up. Start trimming up that aircraft. The faster you can get this done, the faster you can get to an optimal climb rate. The P-51, that's about its 174 miles an hour, or knots. The game has it in miles per hour. Technical term would be knots. Not exactly the same speed measurement, but close enough. So there you go. We got up nice and safely. We're off to fight some bandits. Off nice and safe. Hope this helped. Happy hunting.